Hello to all the mountain bike lovers out there. So today I'm going to share with you the unboxing video of this new Canyon Sender 6. Made with passion, made for you. Let's see what's inside. We have here the complete bicycle. It's a Canyon Sender 6 and it's properly boxed. Everything is safe and good. There goes our rear tire. It's from Maxxis Minion DHR2. Now we have our front wheel from Maxxis Minion DHR. Here's our complete wheel set, and it's from Sunringo. The material is made from aluminum. We have our branded SDG iFly saddle together with our SDG seat post. Let's get started! And it comes with air suspension pump and also some basic tools that you need. And for our most important bike components, we have our Canyon Sender aluminum frame with front suspension from RockShox Boxer Select 200mm of travel. For the rear shocks, we have our RockShox Super Deluxe Select R 200mm of travel.